creative friends. I have my composition book art journal here, and I decided that I am going to create with this beautiful page you see in front of you. It's actually from an old calendar from last year. You can absolutely find so many great things that maybe you would throw out to use in your art journaling or junk journaling or whatever kind of journaling you do. So I love the flowers on here and the words, so I'm going to incorporate those into a spread in this journal page. So I'm going to share the process with you, and I hope that you will give this a try. Let's get started. So I'm going to start out just by kind of tearing this apart, and I love to use my old calendars. This one I got from Dollar Tree, which is nice. And we can even use scissors, but I thought a tear may be better, just to kind of separate the flowers from the words. And I'm just going to tear it apart. You can include whatever you want. So if you have an old calendar around, don't throw it away. If it has pretty pictures or inspiring words, you can use it for your art journal and for inspiration, which is so nice. I taught art journaling classes, and I just by chance bought one of these calendars as like collage fodder for when we were creating, and I was very inspired by what my students did with it. So let's just pick a page in my journal. I'll show you. I did this one. So this actually came from a calendar, and yeah, so let's kind of see. Let's see here. Maybe I'll start at the back. Maybe this page is good. Oh, a little wrinkly though. Maybe let's just do the page maybe behind. And you can do a page that's already started out too. Alrighty. So we're going to put this down first. You can put the words wherever you want. And I'm going to tear this a little bit more too. And I'm going to grab some glue of your choice. See here. And this is just kind of a play journal, so I don't worry about, using the best paints or even mediums in here, because it's just for play. I just kind of try things out and see how it goes. So it doesn't have to be so serious here, which I need sometimes because I am definitely a perfectionist. So sometimes I need that freedom to just play and experiment and see where things take me. So I'm going to go ahead and just slather that on. This is just a spatula that I got from the Dollar Tree. Alrighty, and I did a haul a few days ago, so yeah, I found some good stuff. You guys will definitely see that in upcoming projects. And I'm just going to smooth this out. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm a weird person. I don't think that I love for my collage to have wrinkles in it. I love the texture that it gives, so that doesn't bother me. But I know it does some people. Move this out of the way. There's a cord here. Alright, and then you can decide what you want to add. I'm thinking that I will use some of these flowers. It's kind of inspiration. I mean, it's kind of like a border, really, but it might work. And you can cut them out if you want. This is the name of the artist that created it, so you could include her in there too, because this is her beautiful floral artwork. But I'm just using this to play, so, I wouldn't use this in an art piece without permission, but we're just playing in our journal, so you can use a lot of fun things. Maybe we can even use, I'm not too worried about it because I can fill in the flowers, or see if I want to add flowers. We'll see. Might want to add something else. And you can cover up the words that you don't like necessarily. So just have fun and play, which is always good. Maybe there. I like that. Okay. Alrighty, so let's put that down, and then I'm going to put you in fast forward. I think I'm going to kind of incorporate some of these pieces into my journal with some gesso, and then I'm going to grab my paints, and I might even add some more collage. I'm thinking that I will. Maybe book pages are speaking to me, so I'm going to maybe add some of those. And I'm going to kind of get in the groove of my pages and just kind of put down all these pieces. You could absolutely use a glue stick for this, and that would work out great too. So use whatever you have. And you can find calendars, old calendars. I find them at the thrift store too. Like, it's super popular. People donate their calendars, so you can find them. At least at the ARC and the Goodwill too, I've seen them. So I love all things paper, so I'm always on the outlook, always on the lookout, the lookout for beautiful ephemera. And add as much or as little as you want. So let's apply some here too. Don't worry if your words get covered, because we can go back over them. Add them. All right, so we'll kind of see what I'm going to do in a second here. I just like kind of experimenting. It's nice to put something down and kind of see where it's going to take you, because sometimes it's great to not know exactly where things are going, right? So it's great.